Meanwhile.
So it's 5 a.m. and we are on a bus heading to Bantayan Island. Yeah, I think that's our boat, huh? We just got here in Bantayan. We were trying to find a ride.
We made it! The waves were pretty crazy, but we made it. I was hoping atong kami doon sa dagat.
Mayit. Mayit naman sa Anika ba?
See all the coconuts laying in the trail?
squid.
scallops and squid and all kinds of good stuff. What is this one? This is beef what?
Beef and onion.
Lamig kaayo ang pagkaon diri.
We're going to enter. We're going to go to the cave here.
Ay, pantay yung palo.
I don't
Pero
know.
wala siyang, tropical anesthesia wala. Ay, naku,
That's cool. This is like the coolest mangrove tour I've ever seen in Bantayan, Philippines. There's the snake right there.
Inday, narang isda, Inday. Ay, daghan kaayo.
Where are you, Gabriela? There you are.
Really make it. It was a joke.
Ayo! Ayo! I think there's like this bee that's pursuing me right now.
Sorry.
Like the ground is moving.
Bunles, wala yung butok na.
Pila?
Tag 150 na siya, ma'am.
Pila kilo?
Kan 150 ni siya, ma'am. Dami baya ni siya, ma'am. Wala ni siya yung butok.
Thank you.
That I learned how to control Mama's phone without actually touching it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
God, Dylan, so what are you getting?
You think
Oh wow.
Aunt Sammy would like this?
Probably.
I screen record and I just did this.
Daw ka ng clear. Kani. Pila?
30, ma'am.
30. 60. In the corner, in the dining room corner.
Yeah.
That's the one I
So where do you get one of those? Oh. Well, almost fell down the steps. So we're staying at the Victorian.
You're not gonna eat?
No, I'm not hungry.
Where's she going?
Shop instead.
Dancing.
No, don't.
Eventually.
When is this over?
It won't be over. 1 in the morning. I think 12.
Do you know what the song is?
The best is hot.
Unlock the lowest prices in over one.
Okay, one more.
Oh, no.
Things are goodies in here.
I have the necklace, remember? Oh. So, change was 70.
I want to buy that.
What? That? I thought you wanted the beat bag.
It's right here.
So Mama said that if I danced the whole song, she'd buy me something from here. And I danced the whole song in front of a lot of people. So I got this.
Shopping.
Your coffee. So you're like legit Filipino.
Black or brown?
Yes.
Hang on. It is very neat today, but I have my own hat now, so I can keep the sun off of my neck. We're on our way back to the ferry, and back to Cebu City. You have a very fancy tricycle, sir. I like this one. So we're saying goodbye to Bantayan now. Getting late. Yep. Very beautiful. Hopefully the water is a little more calm.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
So it was really rough on the way there yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Super rough.
Yeah.
How high would you say the waves were?
3 to 4 meters.
Oh yeah. Wow.
You see this island? We
But this
go
one
there.
is surfing, huh? Surfing.
Other way.